Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Jordan 5 by Jordan Brand in the Moonlight colorway. These released on the 8th of September 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £170. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic and I want to make a shout out to Size Harrods for the raffle win. It comes with a black Jumpman branded box with white speckles on the side. Style code is CT4838-011. Open up the box, comes the shoes in grey splattered white wrapping paper. It includes translucent lace locks. An extra set of white laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the Jordan 5 Moonlight. It features a smooth black nubuck upper, black insoles with white Jumpman branding, and a white embroidered Jumpman that can be seen at heel. All of this sits on a white midsole with black and icy translucent blue outsole. I like the subtle black and white speckle detail on the midsole. The materials are nice, the colorway is simple and easy to wear. It's not a 2 pairs minimum for me, but that's just my opinion. Now it's time for yours in the comments below. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment Moon to show me you watched this video to the end. It's Sam Sago on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.